Hello, in this video I want to show you how to host a game for co-op in Palworld. And to do this, first we'll need to click on Start Game, then we can either create a new world or select one of our existing worlds. If you want to select the world that already exists, make sure to click on it and then change world settings. Inside, make sure that you have a multiplayer selected, then click on OK, and it should look like this. Then just start your game with that save that you want the co-op for. Now we need to press on the escape, and here you can find invite code. Just copy it or write it with your hand, and you should be able to invite your friends to your game. And they just need to paste it in the main menu. There's a button, join multiplayer with code. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.